Why people fail IT exams and how to pass easily. Struggling to pass Microsoft, Cisco, or other IT certifications? You're not alone. Let's uncover why people fail and how to succeed. First, information overload. These exams cover vast syllabi, leaving learners overwhelmed. Poor time management? Many cram last minute, missing key concepts. Without hands-on practice, real-world scenarios become roadblocks. But what if you could tackle these challenges head-on? Introducing testdumps.org, your key to success. Testdumps.org offers real exam questions mirroring Microsoft, Cisco, and more. Get detailed explanations to learn from mistakes. Stay current with up-to-date content and sharpen time management with timed practice tests. Thousands trust testdumps.org to unlock their certifications. Why not you? Stop struggling and start succeeding. Visit testdumps.org today and get certified. Your future in IT starts now. Subscribe for more tips.